Sheldon here with VSL, and today we're going to go over a quick tip to try and help you keep your Gmail inbox organized. And we're going to do that using labels. So let's get with it. You'll notice here on the left-hand side of my user interface, I have a bunch of labels listed. These are all labels that I've created, and they fall in alphabetical order. These are all that I've created except for the top 6. They come with Gmail. There's really not a whole lot you can do with them. They're going to stay in the order that they are in. And labels are kind of like tags. When you're tagging a photo, you can tag it vacation, you can tag it 2015. You can do the same thing with emails. You can give multiple labels to a single email. So we're going to start by scrolling to the bottom of my label list and clicking on more. Scroll a little bit more, and I'm going to create a new label. This label I want to call Don't Forget, because I don't want to forget about these emails. But like I said, the labels fall in alphabetical order, so I would like this near the top of my list. So I'm going to go ahead and put a period in front, and I'm going to create it. For the sake of this video, we're going to use this 7 Secrets Winning New Clients. I'm going to go ahead and create another label, and this will be the label or the folder that I move this to out of my inbox. So I'm just going to call it 7 Secrets. And now we're ready to get going. So scroll back to the top, and you can see my Don't Forget label and the 7 Secrets label. So for the Don't Forget, I'm also going to color it. So I kind of hover over these 3 buttons, select a label color, and I'm going to pick green. So now it kind of stands out, and it's at the top of my list, so actually works well. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this MSP Insight email, and I'm going to click on this label icon. And the way these labels work, you can click the check boxes and then click apply, or if you're only going to add one label, such as I'm going to do here, I can click on the words. It will apply the label, and it will also close the little dialog box. So right now, if we go to our Don't Forget label, you'll see the 7 secrets that we just labeled. I'm going to go back to the inbox, open this up. Now the icon to the left is Move To. I'm going to go ahead and move this email out of the inbox into the 7 secrets. So now this will free up my inbox, getting rid of emails, putting them wherever I want, such as the 7 Secrets folder. So now this email appears in both the Don't Forget label and 7 Secrets label. So once I'm done reading this email and acting on it, or I'm ready to forget it, I can go ahead and click on the X. It gets rid of the Don't Forget label, and now this email should only appear in my 7 secrets. So that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and put up my contact information. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.